We are leaving for Mussoorie now. Vayu is getting super restless. Not sure how the trip's gonna go. Let's see. So we took our first stop after driving for half the trip. So I have driven for like 3 hours non-stop with 150 kilometers covered, and now another 150 kilometers to go. Vayu has been behaving better when I'm driving, so yeah, let's go on. Well, what a fuck up. The place that I had booked, they did not allow Vayu. I'm looking super tired. I've been driving since 4 o'clock in the morning. It was like a off-roading kind of an experience because this place was like downhill somewhere. Oh my god, it was crazy. I almost lost my confidence that I would be able to get up from here. But I made it. I have a footage of the off-roading kind of track which is like going on as I'm talking. So yeah, that happened. Here's Vayu. He's restless, but he's fine. He's doing okay. Well, going to Landor now. Let's see what I have there. First destination was Jaberkhet Nature Reserve, a private venture set up to conserve and protect the ecology of the forest around Mussoorie in Himalayan foothills. The reserve is small enough to be explored in few hours. There is a wide diversity of flora and fauna that are representative of a region of Himalayas. The survey have revealed over 50 species of ferns and 40 species of grasses, over 80 species of fungi and mushrooms, and nearly 300 species of flowering plants and over 100 species of bird. This spot is called Lone Oak Tree. We just sat there admiring the beauty of this tree. Since I have started this hike, this was the first time I sat down rested. It was a beautiful spot. They have installed this motion censored cameras at particular spots to track the wild animal movements. This was one of the leopards they were able to capture on this camera. And there he goes to install the camera back so that we can keep tracking. last part of the hike. This hut is where you can refill your bottles, have a cup of tea, and even purchase souvenirs like t-shirts or hoodies if you want to. This trail had been amazing, such a quiet and peaceful experience. I had hired scooty for a day. It costed me 800 rupees. You will not be seeing Vayu in this particular clips because I had to leave him in the hotel. Jaberkhet doesn't allow pets to go inside. I was on my way to the Eco-park in Dhanaulti. Unfortunately, it was closed. I just took this picture and returned to the next destination. The lake at around 11 a.m. and the good news was pets are allowed around here. We roamed around for some time and enjoyed this beautiful view sitting on the benches nearby. There is no entry fee as such to come here. However, if you are driving, there is a parking charge of 20 rupees for 4 hours. The water is beautiful and hardly people around. There were water sports too. However, I was not interested, hence I am not aware of the charges. This place was beautiful with clean water and no crowd. I just enjoyed a lot. And just like that, it was the end of the trip. We drove for 800 kilometers in total and visited 2 different places. We ended the trip here. After this, we had quick lunch in a nearby dhaba and started our return journey towards Delhi.